I have book The Role of Media, Education Sustainability. This one, my book is win the best book for Qatar for social responsibility. I think all successes come from the God, because what I'm feeling towards the other, the God give me more. So I try my best to can support with anything what I can do for some people is poverty.
Hello and welcome to the show called Voices of Qatar, where we journey through the lives of people, those who have lived, shaped and witnessed the beautiful transformation of this country called Qatar. Well, today joining us on this episode, a very truly visionary and honorable guest, Dr. Mervat Ibrahim. She is Ambassador of Peace here in Qatar and also a global diplomat. Apart from this, we can say that she adds many accolades to her credentials. Let's welcome her on FM 107. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you so much for Radio Qatar FM 107 for this is one chance, and for you, Mrs. Nazia, for this is one invitation. And with lovely audience, I'm be happy to be with you.
All right, since we know that you are an ambassador of peace here in Qatar, so we'll start with this. How would you like to define the role of cultural diplomacy in promoting global harmony and inclusion?
I find my model in my life or my study for Highness here Sheikh Moza bint Nasser al-Misnid, which is give all the people as a model or real samples for all the women to be more education, to be more innovation, to be give the peace for all the world. From this is one area I put my goals to be ambassador for peace, or try to continue or to be one of part of my lovely Qatar country, to give all the people, especially for disability people, how to be awareness, how to be have involved in the education and AI, which mean artificial intelligence, for program which is help and support disability people. Especially I have many book speak about goal number 4, because you know United Nations, she give 17 goals of United Nations, which is zero hunger or education or recycling or peace. So I take the peace and the education, it's my measure to make many book speak about history of Qatar in education and how Qatar reached to be the first country in education in Gulf area and Arabic area, and number 4 in rank in education in international all world. So this is one is come from education and from also energy in Qatar, internet, and everything is come from how Qatar look for the forward to be the future. So I put my company Ready Future to be ready for the future, like what my country Qatar give to me as a education and support and scholarship, many scholarship I take it in Qatar. So it's many, we try our best all to give small issue from Qatar give us.
Okay, Dr. Mervat, now tell me, since we know about your one of the very exciting, interesting project, your initiative called Your Voice is Power. So how would you like to describe about this initiative, and how do you believe that the role of media and of course the technology has truly amplified the voices of individuals with a special need here in Qatar?
First, thank you about the question, because you are in the media and all the people know the media in Qatar, she have a very amazing fingerprint in everything, because Qatar support every creative in Qatar, every project, every innovations in Qatar. We find always the media support us. I have many conference I did it for the disability people, which I believe this is one, it's my responsibility about me as a person, as a human, to support everyone in disability people, which I'm volunteer with Qatar Repetition for Special Need in Qatar. Since 10 years ago, I am volunteer with them. And it's a good chance to say for them, thank you, because they teaching me how to be volunteer, how to be feel about the other. Because, disability people or special need, it's everyone, he can be disability people in 1 minute. So we must be deal with this one issue, not like to be in the media or to put in newspaper. No, it's from heart. Right. Because everyone, he can have for example, any accident, any issue to make him, he can't move.
Okay, since we know of this project, now coming to one of more initiative of yours, which we say that be green with education. And we do understand it's a beautiful, a unique blend of sustainability and of course the learning. So what impact this initiative has on the youth and of course had on schools in Qatar?
About innovations for green to be for planets or for recycling. Like I mentioned, I have 17 goals. This is one always my project in my work, in my innovations, in my article, because also I write some article in Al Jazeera Net or Al Raya or Press News in Al Kuwait or Al Nimsa in Vienna. Also, I'm write in Egypt, also in Al Wafd and Al Umma also. So I'm trying my best any innovation I do. Even if I speak about Gaza, for example, I put it all my feeling or what Qatar support Gaza or what do it in all newspaper, how I can. So I wanted to make our voice in Qatar for all the world by my word, or by my writing. So this is one small easy, but I try to translate. This is one, innovation also for the schools. So we go for the schools all and make innovations with Baladiyya. Baladiyat Al-Waqra, Ministry of Al-Waqra, thank you for them because support me as a 3 years for my innovation. I do it to take for schools some tire and change it to be recycling with something is friendly with environment. Tire is some waste. It's not analyzed with 100 years, not like other like bottle, for example, or paper. You can analyze this very easy because the waste of this is one so easy to can analyze, but especially the tire, it stay like 100 years to can analyze. So I'm selected. This is one tire to give it all students in the school and explain for them the vision of Qatar 2030. Right. From via my book, I have book The Role of Media, Education, Sustainability. This one, my book is win the best book for Qatar for social responsibility. And this one book when I'm sharing with many conferences out of Qatar in Switzerland and in Walton Park with Excellency ابراهيم النعيمي for education. We try to translate this one book to English. Okay,
since we know that you have spoken at United Nations platform, so what global partnership or SDG related projects you are currently involved in that truly aligns with Qatar's National Vision 2030?
I am also for participate. I have a Center for Education, AI, and also I have a project for recycling, factory for recycling tire in Emirates, in Ajman also.
Your factory?
Yes. For change the waste to be something friendly for environment. Like we say, we change the tire to be rubber tile, rubber powder, come in many application friendly for the environment. Because, in some country, they use it rubber tile for also for animal. Because to make safety for them, for animal, for cow, for example, because they care about too much about the animal or cow to give the milk. So they make for the animals the floor from rubber floor because if fall down, not broken.
Right.
And this is one also is good for disability people,
Right.
So this
for
is
elderly people.
Yes, it's very good. Yes, also for elder people and for child. And also we find here in Qatar many in the playground in Corniche because Qatar, mashallah, she's always support. In Expo 2023, I'm so proud. I'm participate also by lecture for energy, good energy, and also the grey water, which is recycling, or like you ask me, how the relation between my education, my PhD in media, and recycling education, so all together. Because I won't say in my book, I put in the cover the education. It's goal number 4, but he's the heart of Qatar, and from the education we can achieve the other goals. If we have good education, we don't have we have zero hunger. If we have good education, we have peace. We don't have a war. We don't have a problem. We can respect the other culture. We can respect the other religion. Everyone have culture, have religion. We must be respect. Right. So I bought it also on my motivation in the school. Not only education or recycling or keep the water or save about the energy. No, also we give him something is good for the manner. how to be is good with the other, how to support the other, how to respect the other religion. Especially Qatar have many nationality, many different people, and Qatar for all.
Okay, since we know that you are the person who's been educating people with disabilities, so what challenges you face while educating them, and how did you overcome them?
For challenge, the problem only I find little awareness from some people. For example, when you have someone from disability people in any place, if he cry or if he have some problem, about the disability, there is different disability. For some people is not move, some people is can't hear, some people is not see. If any problem happened, you find the people look for this is one a child or look by something. This is what makes them feel not good. Because when I'm dealing with disability people around 10 years in many conferences and many volunteer, they have a good energy, they very intelligent, and they want you feel them. It's like you. It's not different about us. So we make more publish for awareness, because this one only is a challenge I find. Some people, when we give a scholarship for last months, we give a scholarship 10 person from disability people from Qatar repetition, and we have some other people normal. We try to put together, so we want to spread to be love together, and together can study. We find some people is not agree, and some people agree and give gift for the girl. She's disability people. She's study with us robot for artificial intelligence, and she's very intelligent. She's disability people, but she's very intelligent. And this one girl, she's first one answer the paper in the class in Ready Future. The other girl from normal people, she's give her gift, but some people not agree with me to take the lecture together. So I'm trying my best to separate it again. Because this is one only. So
otherwise, people
from
are
via FM 107, we ask all to be
please be supportive and please join your hands in supporting this initiative. For sure. Okay, now Dr. Mervat, since now let's look back at your childhood here in Qatar. So are there any memories or the experience that shaped your passion for education, AI, and of course peace building?
It's come for my mom. My mom, when I'm small, she told me, I want you not normal person. I want you volunteer. I want you have not only comes alive and did without name. When I'm very small, I'm 5 years, she said for me that. And I told her, Mom, I can't study to college. She said, no, when you adult, you will study to college, and I want you be something is like famous, something is, why you not take Nobel? Why? My mom, she's give me many things nice in my life. She's always, when she give me chocolate, she told me, give all the kids. Sometimes I give all, and I come for her, I make my hand like this because I don't have. I said, Mom, she said, where is chocolate? I said, I give. She said, I told you give some, not all, but me give all. So this is what make me inside. I think all successes come from the God. Thank you for God, because what I'm feeling together or towards the other, the God give me more place. So I make also in Mauritania also I'm sharing in organizations for people is no mother, no father, to help and support. So I try my best to can support with anything what I can do for some people is poverty.
Mashallah. We really hats off.
Thank you so much.
So impressive, so inspiring. So how would you like to define Qatar in a word?
I find Qatar, for me, I find Qatar the best.
Qatar is the best. Oh, fantastic.
And you see what Qatar, I also write a newspaper about how Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, Hafizullah wa Ra'ah, go Egypt and make the conference and support Gaza. Even in National Day in Qatar, our Amir, he support Gaza and cancel the National Day for Gaza and take all the people to volunteer money and food and everything for Gaza. So our Prince of Qatar is always our Amir. He support all the peace in Gaza, in everywhere, in Syria, in Turkish, in every place he supports. Afghanistan also he do many diplomatic issue to support the people. So we are happy we have our Amir in Qatar.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah, that's true. Thank you so much, Dr. Mervat, for taking out this time and sharing some inspiring stories, your experiences, your perception. It was really, truly quite appreciable. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for you and for your nice interview and our intro about me. Thank you so much. So thank you for FM 107.
Thank you once again.
Thank you.